Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how Mesh Morpher Graph can interact with MetaHuman DNAs. First of all, there are two ways to import a DNA, a MetaHuman DNA. One is from a skeletal mesh, and you have to select your skeletal mesh, and if it has a DNA with the mesh data, it will load it, right? Another way which we're gonna focus in this video, it's from files, directly from files, right? So if we load a body DNA and go to DNA to mesh, then we have our DNA loaded. We can export this to OBJ if we want, or we can also bring in the head. Let's bring the head and append these two and export this to OBJ. Let's merge skeleton just so we have them merged. And we can export this to OBJ and work in external software, right? You can also weld, it's up to you. And then you can export to OBJ and do your thing, right? Let's remove this. Now, to bake and write back these DNA nodes, let's modify something here just so we can see a little bit. So to write back this change, we first need to bake to our DNA. And once we've done this, we can write to DNA, right? So I'm going to overwrite body to DNA. And then when I load it, I can see my changes, right? And I can see my changes on all LODs, right? Because when I baked, I had applied to LODs enabled, and it will apply to all LODs at levels higher than LOD index, right? So if I have here LOD index 1, it will only update LOD index 1 because it's selected here, 2 and 3 because they are small or lower quality, right? The rest of the LODs. So let's proceed to a more advanced graph here, where I or I already did it, so we don't spend 30 minutes in this video, but I'm gonna explain you. First, I load the CC5 character. I select only the skin materials. I remove all occluded vertices, and I weld it, right? I load the body DNA. I load the face DNA. I append them together. And the same, I'm just selecting the skin materials, remove occluded, and weld this as well, right? Then I select the landmarks for these two meshes, and I go to rigid fit and non-rigid fit as well, right? The target is my CC5 cleaned up mesh. And after rigid and non-rigid fit are completed, you can go ahead and go to refine. Here I used the project tool to reproject everything on the mesh and fixed some obvious artifacts. I applied this to my mesh, right? You can see here is my mesh with appended in the append geometry node, the one where I didn't remove anything from it, just the appended vertices, and I apply the deltas between before the rigid fit and after my first refinement, right? And I got back all the eyes and both eyes and all other small components, right? Teeth, edge, eyelash, and all that. Then I go to another refinement step because I want to fix the eyes as much as possible, teeth, uh, place everything together, right? So it looks good. Then I fit the skeleton, and to fix the skeleton, the same. I'm using the mesh with the appended geometry where I appended where I merged the skeletons. So remember, here we have merged skeletons enabled, and I fit the skeleton to that. And if I go here to pose, you can see the skeleton now fits my current deformation, right? And let's remove this. And then I apply this deformation to my DNA meshes, the ones that I loaded from DNA, right? This is where I apply. And because I have transfer bone transforms, I will also transfer whatever bone transformations fit skeleton gave me, right? Then I bake DNA geometry, and I'm doing the same for the face, right? Absolutely the same thing, the same output from fit skeleton, where if we check it out, it will transfer the skeleton bone transformations from our fit skeleton to our mesh, even though it doesn't have the same skeleton, right? So now let's go to writing DNA back, and we're going to overwrite body 2, and this is the face, and we're going to write here face 2 DNA, and let's test it out. To test it, I'm just going to open the MetaHuman character blueprint, the file. And here, now that we've loaded the character, let's remove the rig. If you have a rig already, just remove it. We're gonna go to conform and import our DNA for the face. Okay, and let's do the same for the body, right? I think we should add first the body and then the face. So let's add our body here. And let's bring again the face. Okay, and this is our MetaHuman. It's rigged, and if we assemble it, now we've assembled our MetaHuman, and we can use it, right? So let's see it. As you can see, it has LOD in places. Everything works as intended. And let's open the face. And it's fully functional, right? So this is it for our video here. This is what I wanted to show you. You can build up extremely complex workflows with Mesh Morpher Graph. And yeah, this is it for this video, guys. See you around. Bye.